Welcome back. Let's discuss the haloalkanes or the alkyl halides, or sometimes they're referred to as halogenoalkanes. Right, what are these haloalkanes? Haloalkanes are also referred to as alkyl halides. These are organic compounds comprised of an alkyl group with one or more hydrogens replaced by a halogen atom. The halogen atom can be a fluorine, chlorine, bromine, or iodine. Let's look at this situation here. We have 2-chloropropane. Right, if you check here, this hydrogen is replaced by a halogen, which is chlorine. Now this becomes what? A halogenoalkane, or you can say a haloalkane, or you can say an alkyl halide. These are haloalkanes. One hydrogen, or even two hydrogens, or even three hydrogens are replaced by a halogen atom. Right, before we move any further, what will be the general formula for haloalkanes? Right, like in this case here, where hydrogen is replaced by one halogen atom, we can say the general formula is CnH2n. Remember, for alkanes it was H2n plus 2. So here is going to be H2n plus 1 because one hydrogen has been replaced by a halogen. And then for the halogen, we use X, like that. So if we have one hydrogen replaced by one halogen atom, then the general formula for the haloalkanes will be like this. The chlorine atom is the substituent atom. This chlorine atom is called the substituent atom. What do I mean by that? A substituent is an atom or group of atoms bonded to a carbon chain. It could be an inorganic atom like a halogen, or it can be an alkyl group that is shorter than the main group. And then we have some common haloalkanes and their uses. Let's discuss these. We have trichloromethane, which is chloroform. This is used mainly as an anesthetic. We also have tetrachloromethane, which is also referred to as carbon tetrachloride, used in fire extinguishers. Tetrachloromethane is toxic, so it has been replaced by tetrachloroethene. And then we have chlorofluorocarbons. These were used a lot for refrigeration and aerosol propellants in perfumes and also maybe pesticides where chemicals are being sprayed. But now these chlorofluorocarbons are a problem because they cause ozone depletion. So their use has been discontinued. Haloalkanes are used a lot in plastic manufacturing. We're going to discuss this a lot when we learn about polymerization. Remember, I'm just introducing these molecules now. We're going to look at the naming of these molecules in detail. We're going to look at the reactions in detail, and then we're going to look at the physical properties in detail. But for now, I just wanted to introduce these different homologous series.